The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai.
Welcome to my motherland and your hometown.
What's up?
Good.
What's up?
Welcome home, man.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, good to meet you finally.
Finally.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing great. Doing really good.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Oh yeah, so far. Amazing.
Yes.
Amazing.
Better than your expectation?
Better than my expectation.
Yes,
Completely
because
better.
When you see on video, they will go to the bush and show you hungry people and all that stuff.
Not the right thing.
Yeah. So it's good to. Ghana is the first country that's good.
Yeah.
Because when you see the other countries, then you make a comparison.
Yeah, true.
Have you had lunch?
No.
Okay.
I want to
So
try
you
to
wanna eat some Ghana food today?
Yeah, I want something from my list. I want to
What you have?
complete.
What do you want on the list?
I think I have Tuo Zaafi or Tomo.
I don't like that too much.
You don't like that?
Maybe we'll try the rice ball. They
that
make the rice like fufu?
that's Omo Tuo.
The Omo Tuo.
Yeah, I'll try that
We'll do
today.
that today?
Yeah, sure.
All
I
right.
don't like the other one.
Ooh.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So today's a pretty interesting day. Let me tell you why it's interesting. So today Nana was supposed to take us on the road, but he's not feeling so good right now, so get well soon, bro. But interestingly, someone dropped a comment on the video and said, hey, they'd like to show me around Ghana. So long story short, we are here with Kwesi today. And just a little short thing about Kwesi, you mentioned that you had moved to Canada. You've been there for like 35 years.
Yeah.
And now you're back home to your country.
That's right.
Awesome, cool. What's on the agenda for today, Kwesi?
I'm gonna go try some Omo Tuo
Yeah,
and then we'll do some scenic tours.
nice.
We might go around up the mountains
Okay,
to Aburi
yeah.
if we have time.
Awesome. So one thing I can say that I've mentioned, guys, is that Ghanaians, they are a lot willing to show you around. A bunch of people have sent me messages, and trust me guys, it has been super helpful, you guys, you know, sending me messages, telling me places to go, offering to take us around to show and see certain things, because it's a whole new country for me here. But let me say, I'm super excited to be here, super excited for today's adventure. I believe Kwesi said that eventually he will take us to the Volta region. So we go to the Volta region where we see
Cape Coast also.
Cape Coast. Yo, there's so much I need to get done in Ghana, so many things I want to show you guys from the culinary perspective and also the culture, because here it is so deep and so rich in culture. Beans, how do you feel?
Hi guys.
Your sleep get cut short,
That's fine.
right? So the funny story, when we heard that Nana was not going to make it today, we were like, okay, more sleep. But anyway, we're here to get some Omo Tuo. So foreigners back then used to stay here. Interesting. But you did mention that like a lot of development is going to happen later on down here.
Around this area.
Alright guys, so currently we're going to try to take a quick look at the Osu Castle. Down here in Ghana, I've noticed that there's a bunch of different buildings that have quite a bit of history to them. Whether they're still being used or no longer being used right now. We also hear some kids playing some music, I don't know for whatever reason.
Open on Fridays.
Oh, so we can only head in on Fridays. Got you. So we've gotten down to this other area that's a little bit more reminiscent of Jamaica, because you can see and hear like the big waves. Again, with the earth tones, definitely a lot of pastel colors, red, clay, as you guys can see. But it's really cool. I see some kids back there. They're doing a little bit of fishing or something in the canal, which is just really so cool. You guys know I like being on the beach. being by the river, stuff like that. So yeah, reminds me a little bit of home. Yeah, so I'm kind of fascinated by the kids here doing a bit of fishing. They said that they caught a bunch of other fish before, but now they only have like some small ones, almost like the sprats that we had in that video there. He speaks English, one with the Arsenal jersey. Cool. Nah, is that your favorite team, Arsenal? No. Is Arsenal? No. Real Madrid. Oh my God. We are enemies, man. Barcelona. Yeah, I love Barcelona. Quick question. What's the biggest fish you guys catch? How big?
The biggest fish is only three.
No. Big.
Like idale, tumo, idale dente.
As big as a palm.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Tilapia.
Tilapia. Wow. So a lot of fish come.
A lot of fish, red fish, tilapia.
Oh, so when tide is higher. Yeah. Pretty cool, man. So those are baby tilapia. Yeah. Yeah, back home we have these. They look like black tilapia, I think. So you cook it to eat, just for yourself?
We just sell it.
Oh, you sell it?
Yes.
Ah. To make kenkey and fried fish?
Yes.
Wow, it's the same thing. Ah. All right, bro. Thank you, man. Labadi? No. This is going to be the first beach that I step on here.
From after the motor, we go to La Palm.
La Palm.
We go to Labadi Beach.
Okay.
And then what time is it? It's about 3. Maybe we'll try to get to the mountains before it gets dark.
Cool. So yeah, Jilly was mentioning just now, it is very much like home. I guess that's why I was kind of drawn to, you know, going down there and talking with them a little bit, because back home in Jamaica, the little kids, same way. I remember I was by this river stop one time, and late in the night you could see the kids with their flashlights going to try to catch some janga. Backyard we call janga shrimp. Here I think it's the same thing, shrimp, but yeah, so they're catching their little fish, and they mentioned that it's for selling. So yeah, they're making their own little money. But guys, we've made it to our first beach here in Africa, Ghana to be exact. Okay, so we are on this beach somewhere out in Osu. I'm not really sure of the exact name. So it's the beach near the castle. And let me just say, man, it is completely different from the beaches in Jamaica. Like, it's really huge. I wish I could send the drone all the way up, but a bunch of people are back there because today it is a Sunday. So people have come out for their Sunday swim, just like back home in Jamaica. So that's a sight to see, but we're gonna head off from here to the next little spot. We might try to get something to eat because I am starving at this moment. But yo, again, Kwesi, thanks for taking us to the very first beach, man.
Ghana is your home, man. You're always welcome.
Love it, bro. So amazing, guys. Make sure you check out Ghana. I promise you, next level. So she's doing a little bit of chanting and stuff.
Yes.
So we just saw that lady just now, fully clad in white. If you guys know exactly what it is, drop it in the comments. But as Crazy was mentioning to us, it's just like back home in Jamaica where, I don't mean to call out anyone, but back home in St. Thomas, yeah, there is known for people doing what we call obia back home. So he's mentioning that sometimes they go out there and they do that, probably to curse another person or to try to catch more fish. So that's something that is very similar to our culture. Anyway, gonna have some food now. Guys, man, for giving a quick little update. Ghana hot. Super hot. Right now we're in Osu still, the older parts of Osu, and it is super hot. It said that because it's a lot closer to the equator, that's why whenever we look at the sun, it seems like it's at least 2 levels down compared to what we have back home in Jamaica. Yo, something else, man. So bear that in mind. Keep yourself hydrated whenever you come out here to Ghana. It's like a local food stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, this.
He wants me to back up. I think the place is choked. Maybe we'll find a place to park around here.
Gotcha. It almost feels a little bit like Hellshire. That's a little shack, same kind of road. Yeah.
I think this thing is supposed to be on top of it. It's not working.
Alright, now that we've freshened up a bit, I just want to talk to you guys about this really quick. So between December to February, you have what Crazy mentioned, the Harmattan. This is like the northeasterly trade winds that comes, we call it the Saharan dust back home, right? So during this time, you're going to find that everything is super dusty, it's super hot, and that's why you find that, yo, we are sweating a lot. And of course, you're definitely going to find that the cars look really dirty. It seems like people are not taking care of their things, but this is just a common thing here. Now, clearly the place that we were before looked very rustic. Now we're at a nicer spot because it is a Sunday, so that particular spot is closed off. But they say that this place has really good Omo Tuo, and I'm super excited to try it. So
Yeah.
So 1 for her.
2. Yeah.
He's taking the Guinea Fowl. Yeah.
So 3 bowls.
And then 2 Guinea Fowl. So the lady is taking the fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can mix the you can mix the palm soup and the peanut butter. They can mix it up for you.
Yeah.
Sometimes it gives you a good taste. I'm gonna have a peanut butter soup.
You can also add a little beans to it.
beans.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'll take some of the black eyed beans with it. This is a Guinea Fowl.
Easy.
Alright, Crazy. So you just mentioned that I should take 3 Omo Tuo.
balls, yeah.
The usual Ghanaian, like how much, like a guy would
5, 6.
5, 6?
Yeah.
What's the appetizer? You're talking bitters?
Yeah.
So Crazy mentioned appetizer. I guess this is it. So this is alomoku with lime because I never want it too bitter for me. So I'm gonna try that. Let you guys know. Alright guys, cheers to many more amazing times in Ghana. Cheers. Bring your Coke in. Alright. I won't lie, I tasted it before I started recording and it tastes like whiskey sour. It's really good. I actually like this one. I like this, yeah. What's the exact name of this? Alomo. Alomo bitters. If you come to Ghana, try this one. Alomo bitters with a bitter lime in there, just like a whiskey sour. Aloe lime. This one is good, man. Really good, really good. Wow. What's really cool about this place is that they serve you the ice with a bitter lime in there for your Coke. I think that's a touch of class. What do you think about that?
Like that.
Like that, right? It's really cool. So for those who want to come check this place out, it's called the Susanna Lodge. Really cool, chill, laid-back place. It feels almost like one of the chop bars, but a little bit more upscale. So if you're not really into the chop bar scene, I think this would be a nice little one for you guys to kind of ease you into that. Yeah, they're watching like a Premier League game, and I love football.
But
Julie, what did you get?
I have the rice ball thing with palm nuts, palm nut soup,
yeah.
and fish, which is what, tuna and salmon.
So tuna and salmon.
You can use the spoon. If you
And what did you get? I think I see some beef in there.
Yes, this
Cow
is
food.
cow tail.
Cow tail.
Yeah.
food.
No, this not the food. This the tail. And then the fish,
Okay.
salmon, and tuna.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. What did you get?
I'm getting goat
Goat?
soup with the palm soup and the peanut butter mix.
Ah.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so now our meal has arrived and this looks a lot more similar to something that we might have back home in Jamaica. Let's see if we can try these flavors. So today I actually have Guinea Fowl, which is it's like a chicken but smaller. I guess it's going to be more gamey, a little bit more hard, I would say. And
Peanut butter and palm soup.
so I did a mixture of the peanut butter and the palm soup. Ah, cool. So let's get in. Let's dig in, man. Okay, already. Omo Tuo, one of my favorite things here. It's very relatable and it's spicy. Oh. It's just like, it's almost like when you buy, what you call it, from Japan, sushi, like sticky rice. And this soup is really good. Wow. All right, my first time having Guinea Fowl. Very gamey. Very much like how can I say, like a turkey, like a mini turkey. That's how the texture of the meat is.
No, I'm drinking beer with this is beef beer, right?
Beef beer.
Some beans, and Kwesi was mentioning, just add the beans to make it more of a balanced diet.
Hi.
I am enjoying this one. We had Banku Tilapia. Yeah. I quite like this. This is my favorite overall dish here since I've been here.
Really?
Yeah. I like it. Like the complete balance from the quail, from the rice, to the Omo Tuo, the beans, the soup. This is the best soup I've had since I've been here. This soup is so good. It's shell.
The flavors are good. I like the fact that it's spicy, but not overly spicy.
No man, it's so good. Really? Too close. Guys.
This is kind of soup you were trying to make on the video, palm nuts, or
No, I never tried to make this. It was an okra stew. What is it like, Beans?
I'm smiling because I remember from the Kenkey video,
What do you know? I can't finish it.
people are saying my expression. But guys, this is actually good. Like, I actually like it. I was kind of skeptical, to be honest. I only ordered one ball. But they were added an extra
Quincy
ball.
said two.
Yeah, Quincy said, get 2. But I like it. It's good. It's spicy, not too spicy. And even though the rice ball is soft, you can still chew,
I love it.
So it's real good. Oh, when you wash your hand. Yeah. Omo
Tuo.
Tuo.
Omo is rice.
Omo. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, today,
Ball, like rice
Omo
ball.
Tuo,
Omo Tuo.
peanut, and palm
And this is a northern Ghana dish.
soup with some beans and Guinea Fowl. Bruh,
It's a northern
Yes.
Ghana.
epic.
It's a traditional northern Ghana dish.
The fish nice. The fish tastes good.
That's red snapper. Every evening after cooking, they just put it on the heat, on the low side.
Can I use this? That plate?
Sure, you leave the leftovers. So they don't put it on the thing because maybe the cat will come eat in the night. They hang
Hang
it
it
in the
high.
ceiling. They hang it in the ceiling. The cat can jump to reach it.
Jamaican puss will not jump and reach that though.
No man.
So I've been watching Kwesi and his cousin. So before I was putting like all 5 fingers trying to put the food in my mouth. But I noticed that they do like 2 or 1 finger and they do like something like this. Oh, so the food should never reach the palm of your hand. Never. So it's like this. Trying to get my eating a lot cleaner. And I know I look really messy, look really awkward right now. In your village, if you're left-handed, you can never be young. So the right hand is for good stuff, left hand, interesting.
If I give you a hammer right now, you take something. Go.
She love it, yeah, don't?
Yes. That's what to come back with the kids.
Yeah.
See, the first week, you're just getting used to the people.
Yeah.
You don't see like your face, everything different.
True.
Second week, that's when you get a groove. Like you get to feel the people. You understand the vibe and the people. And
That's what I'm doing here.
culture, you know?
I start picking up on the energies.
Yeah, man. Positive people here. Good energy.
Would you like a bite? No? Okay, so I had 2 of the Omo Tuo. Going for the 3rd.
Please finish the 2 and make me proud. Make me proud, man. If you can finish 5, I can do 2, 3. 3, I'm finding tough.
He had 5. Wow.
It takes 1 heavy meal a day.
But this is very filling.
It's very heavy.
If you're not careful, you fall asleep after the
So we eat this on Sunday. So after this, you can go home and relax.
beer, what TV, relax.
For a good week.
Yes. So it's become like a tradition.
But it's so funny, it doesn't even seem to be so heavy. It was just, I look at it,
Because
you're like,
of these
okay.
different kind of fish, meat, beans, by the time you get home, you are tired. Then you relax. And then Monday, you'll be strong.
Not half, quarter, because my children are half Jamaican,
Wow.
half Ghana, I'm quarter.
Done. Done.
Yeah, they go a lot.
Done.
Thank you.
Don't
Not bad. Done it. 90%, bro.
I'm proud of myself.
Wow.
The mother,
So Kwesi rightfully mentioned today we learned a lot better how to eat with our SP Oh. But yeah, just observing, Crazy and his cousin, I realized that, that little technique of, less fingers, it makes it more dexterous and it's a lot cleaner. So I am super proud of myself today, super proud of Jilly today. Yo, and Crazy, shout out, man, for taking us here. The food, this combination, best. I love Omo Tuo. It's really, really, really good. That's something I think you guys should try. Like I said, I'm gonna do a list of the 10 favorite things in Ghana, and I'll rank them from the least favorite to the most favorite. Now, one thing that Crazy did mention is that in Ghana, I'll let him explain it, because sometimes it's nicer for a Ghanaian to explain.
Before the fridge was brought to Ghana, fishermen go catch so much fish, they can't leave the fresh fish out to spoil, So they roast it or smoke it, and that the preservation lasts longer. Could last for a week or two. So they smoke it, and every evening they'll heat it up a little bit so it don't go stale.
Nice.
So that's how it's been in memory.
Right.
Before the white man bring the fridge. Somewhere down here, sir.
I'm close by.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're definitely gonna make a stop here at some point in time, because what I had just now was really good. But quick emotion check. How do I feel? Like today, it's a different concoction of stuff that we did today, but today for some reason feels like the best day, and I don't know if because of the food that food from
Crazy.
the what? Crazy. Today as a day has been very top tier. It had so many different things. Anyway, when I get back home, we'll talk about that. So we are heading now to La Palma.
More coffee come Ghana.
Also done. Yeah. More coffee for Ghana for real. Alright guys, so we're heading to La Palma. La Palm Beach. And we're gonna check that out really quick.
It's cool. There might stop down there. Right on the ocean.
Where you are though?
Atlantic. Oh man, you're gonna groove, well on that side, and not too well on this side.
The coconut.
Yeah, look there. Much bigger down this one. A little bit here. Oh, dead. The soil. Salt level in there. How much?
How much?
Which is the cheapest one? I want the 1 cedi one. We pay 1 cedi there, no? The cheapest one.
On board, brother.
Alright, quick little recap. So we're at the La Palm Royal Hotel right now. It came in, as Crazy was mentioning before, similar in Jamaica. I find like a lot of buildings, like I mentioned, and I don't know what video, but you can see where they were great buildings, and then now that they're like dilapidated, they're no longer as well maintained. The same thing in Jamaica, in the downtown Kingston area. We share the same sentiments. Now, saw a guy selling some artwork just now. It's something that I want to put on the website for you guys. Anybody want to purchase some? We never got those, but a tip, especially for anyone that will look very foreign, or especially because I have a camera as well. They'll know that you're a tourist. Try to bar it up. Don't go with the very first price. If you want to go to the first price, that's on you. So anyway, we're just here chilling. I was watching the boys just now playing some football, and funny enough, I don't know, maybe they play for a team or something, but the football looks a lot more organized than what I'm used to for a little, like little grass football back home. What I say, but I find a lot of wild football, man. It's a kick down man and a run down and do something. But yeah, the football seems a lot more calculated, very calm. And I guess that's why you find that the African countries they make it to the World Cup a lot more often, and a lot of them are in the English Premier Leagues, playing in Europe, you know, Manchester United, all those big clubs. So, yeah. Don't roast me because I said Manchester United. Please don't. You guys take soccer seriously here?
Very much so. Soccer is dollar, man.
Yeah, vibes.
You like what you can't block it. It's a 5-star.
You know, here kind of feels almost like half moon from the outside. Why you do? I like how over there looks like a lake. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are at the Labadi Beach Resort Hotel, and I guess in Africa this is like one of the 5-star hotels here. So you don't know, in Jamaica they say that place the uptown, meaning say, oh yeah, rich people. It's somewhere around crazy mention, around like 450 around per night, US per night. So with prices that can change at any point in time, so make sure you Google it. And yeah, we are here. Nice little vibe, people are swimming. They did mention that there are like 3 religions here. The cultural religion, Christianity, and also Muslim. Yeah, and I do see a couple Muslims around, so yeah, I'm getting a nice taste of that. And yeah, we're gonna have some drinks, and then maybe tonight we're gonna get a whole idea, the scene of the Ghanaian party. I don't know. Yo, tell you, we as Jamaicans, we claim that we party hard, but where we are is where they call the uptown part. We were staying at the Embassy Gardens, and you see the people who come to Ghana just to party, and they wake up probably like 3 o'clock in the afternoon to get ready for the party scene, and they're not coming back till our morning. So maybe we might do that tonight. If not, it's gonna be another night, but yeah, looking forward to that. Where you said the party scene is crazy.
So Richie is the king.
Richie, what you say about the party scene? You party hard?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We're going from here to Oxford Street.
Yeah.
And then we'll look around. That's where the party begins for the evening.
All right.
Me tell them these are 20, me buy it in the downtown. 20.
Take off this one.
Okay.
Yeah, you can take it off.
Yeah.
If you wear anything that match it, yeah, it's okay. Any clothes that match any of the colors. 20.
Santa Claus will give you a life gallop. You mind that? He's very friendly.
Yeah.
Complete by ourselves. The camera is good.
Nah. You got it?
Hello.
Nice.
What is that?
Yeah.
So if you really want to have a...
We don't have a picture here.
You drop the camera in the video. So just going that one we got there. You would have missed it.
A lot of people there, right?
Cheers. So yeah, we're here grabbing another club beer. Let me tell you, man, that beer is, yo, not because I'm in Ghana, I'm trying to say nice things about Ghana, because I am brutally honest. That beer is really good. Trust me, if you come here, so you're going to have like 2, 3, 4. But drink down mine like a water a while ago, I swear.
I'll bring up the phone. work for a plane.
Kids, wait till you're 21 if you're in Jamaica. So Kwesi is my official videographer today. So we're about to have some club beer, and let me tell you, man, it's really smooth. Can you imagine a little bit of lime in this? Cheers, yo. Guys, you need to check out Ghana. This is like the soft party version. I can imagine when later on in the weekend and the night, trouble, vibes.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it
tomorrow morning.
Yep.
But Nappy is coming back tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, we will talk and then find out when, either Tuesday or Wednesday,
Gotcha.
we go to the vault. No, man. Enough respect.
Let me start off by just saying, like, today was an amazing day, and it was a completely unplanned day. We woke up from hearing that, hey, these plans are no longer going to happen today, to seeing an email, and boom, we were on the road having an amazing experience. I think the best part of the experience is really seeing how hospitable Ghanaian people can be. I know a lot of times they broadcast it and show that, you know, people from Africa are, I guess, hostile. I mean, that's the way how they portray it a lot of the times, that people here don't have it. The stories can go on. And being here, having this experience, it broadens my perspectives and the way that I view the world. Now, speaking of experience, there's a point this evening where, you know, Soai Crazy came back to the table, and, you know, his eyes were red, they were watery, and, you know, he mentioned that, you know, a family member that he spoke to yesterday passed away. And you really have to have an experience something like that to truly empathize and truly understand where that person is coming from. For myself, that was last November, you know, losing my best friend, and, you know, I could more understand where Crazy was coming from, how he might have felt in that situation, and I could understand, like, this is not the moment to really ask questions, because some people deal with that sort of pain differently. Now, I mentioned that because, you know, sometimes I do see some of the comments where, you know, people have a bunch of things to say with the way how the people eat food here in Ghana with their hands, and, you know, I find that some persons are very stuck in their way of thinking, and that, you know, the way that they grew up is the only way and it's the only right way. And that sort of thinking is a kind of thinking that starts wars in this world, because this country thinks that this is the only way that this solution can be met, and this is the only way that people should live, and it's just conflict. Now, I think traveling to different countries, it really broadens your horizons, because now you see how people live, you see the way that they think, and maybe in that situation you can empathize with them a little bit more. And I think that's one of the biggest things, you know, myself as an influencer, I've noticed that it's good to come to places and really humble yourself and accept the things that you see. And you know what? If you think it's a culture that you cannot accept, then just don't go. Today has been an eye-opening day to really solidify and concrete thoughts that I've had in life, which is be humble, be open to different cultures and experiences, and just keep growing, man. Because as Kwesi mentioned today, live your life. You don't know when you can go at any moment. I might not even be here tomorrow. This could be my last video. You know what I'm saying? So I'm very grateful to be here, you know, to share these videos. And if you guys appreciate content like this that help to, you know, broaden your spectrum as to your decisions, to the trips you want to make here in Africa or to any other country that I might have been in, I appreciate your support on that. And guys, I don't even want to get any deeper because it's been a very long day. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep building.
Show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold.